Welcome back, all my radical people. Today we are on our way to the beach. It's all overcasty out here. We got Caleb, Santee. We haven't came up with a nickname for Isaac yet, but that's Isaac back yonder. Got Nicole. And we're gonna go out here. These boys are gonna go out there and freeze their little nuts off out here in the water because it's cold as heck out here today.
You didn't just say that.
I said that. So, yeah, I reckon we'll see you guys when we're on the beach or something rad happens. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. There go them boys. They're crazy. Here's the weather out here today. I mean, it is chilly out here. It was warm yesterday. The sun was out. That's why we decided to come today after school, but sucks for them. It's freezing out here. Well, not freezing, but it's pretty chilly. See what a nice guy I am. I dropped the kids off at up there at front so they don't gotta walk. And I drive down the street and I park way down yonder. But that's alright, because I ain't getting wet and it's already cold enough. Yeah, you guys see the weather out here?
Literally again.
It's rough.
And the last time he went shopping, he was like...
But it's nice out here though. Still, we're out here in La Jolla. I think this is La Jolla Shores right here we're at right now. I'll show you up here. We're at up here at the college. I'm not sure which college this is, but there's a college up here though. It's not sure. All right, I think I said we were at the shores, but we're at the Robert Payne Scripps Farm. Not really sure what that is, but I know they do like a lot of research around here on the ocean and stuff like that. So I'm gonna go down here. I'm gonna find these kids and Nicole. But I had to go up here and use the porta potty up yonder there. There's nowhere to go around here, but so UCSD San Diego. That's what that bus says. All right, so I'm gonna go walk down these stairs and yes, ma'am. Thank you very much. And then I'll see you guys on the way down the stairs. Thanks for watching. And Nicole? Where them boys at? All straight ahead? Well, I'm zoomed out all the way here. Or zoomed in, whatever you call it. And the boys are right out there somewhere. Throw some out there. Yeah, feeding the seagulls, pretzels. You got a whole bunch, dude. They're close. They won't get that close. Well, they don't got teeth. Oh, come a couple more. Check out the outfit. San Diego, that girl must not be from around here. Crystal Pier, is that, no, that's not Crystal. What pier is that? This is the Hoya Pier.
No, that's the UCSD Pier.
UCSD
Scripps
Pier.
Pier.
Scripps Pier, there you go. Man, we're dumb. What's up, Rugrats?
guys done?
Yeah. All right, everyone, we're out of here. I dropped the kids off, dropped Nicole off back at the house, went and got something to eat. They got Subway, I went and got Jack in the Box. Either way, I hope you like this video. Share it with your friends. Leave us a comment down below. If you haven't subscribed yet, please go and subscribe. I always say you never know what goes on around here. We're always doing something. Thanks for watching. Like always, hope you guys are having a wonderful day.